Funky D, everybody. Yes, we don't see their debate today again. The debate when them Fela Dorotoye, Kingsley Moghalu, and Eze Obi Ekwesili, these three of them, then say, now then do the debate. So that one, when we don't want the born, the people when them organize the debate before, so they're not still hear word say Omoyele Sowore must be present in the debate. So finally, they excluded him for real. That is why Funky D say Omoyele Sowore will win this election. Sure you get. So these three people now when come. Buhari when say in one come lead una, he not come. Atiku when say in one come back to represent Nigerian people, he not come. This is to show you the oppression when this Alamajiri, these Fulani people, they oppress Nigerian people. Because in some of my videos, I don't tell you, I say these people have a very big agenda and they are the same people. They are one. Anybody when they think say Atiku or Buhari or that on Buhari say them be PDP and APC, you are kidding. You must be kidding yourself, because that Atiku na person when they don't arrange come and say na him then go rig that election for. Na him then go rig that election for. And now them they plan everything because they want Jubri to go scot-free. That is the game. She be yesterday this the Minister of Information La Mohammed in the time say if Atiku come back from America, say then go arrest him for 156 something like that, 156 million naira scandal. Because they say get one bank when we see Atiku Abubakar chop that bank rich grand, what they call PHB, something like that. Atiku Abubakar single-handedly chop that bank rich grant. When La Muhammad they make noise say Atiku Abubakar say na from airport then go arrest him. Una say they arrest Atiku Abubakar? No. Because all these things are propaganda. All these things are the wayo politics where they don't play since the Nigerian independence. Now the same politics when they want to put on our head this 2019. These same people when be say they not want talk to you, they not want see your face, they not want speak to you. Now him, una say una want go vote for. I said na him make Funky D believe full time that thing when Nnamdi Kanu they talk say Nigeria na zoo. Now when I believe him and I confirm and say Nigeria na zoo. Na zoo country, na zoo nation, na shit country, according to Donald Trump. So, these three people now, they don't come take and deceive now. This Obi Ekwesili, Fela Dorotoye, and Kingsley Moghalu. Funky D say, it be like say, those people, they don't buy them long time. The reason why Funky D they talk like this be say, then, when I remember that last interview when we say Sowore come, three of them not come. Plus the Jubri and this Atiku Abubakar. Atiku not come, Buhari not come, Fela Dorotoye not come, Obi Ekwesili not come, Kingsley Moghalu not come. Only Sowore come to that place, come do the debate. All these people, they were all absent. So today now, this one will happen today now, when everybody don't see again. Sowore, they excluded him. These three people, Obi Ekwesili, Derotoyi, and Moghalu, three of them, then show. Then the other people, the two people when they control like cow, when they remote like the way when they remote television, those two people, they're not still come. So tell me now why you no go begin things say something there behind this thing. Tell me now whether you not see now say this Kingsley Moghalu, Obi Ekwesili, and the other one. Tell me now why person go doubt say these people say they not pay them money, or say these people they not they work for this APC and PDP. Funky D say they are working for APC and PDP. Sure, you understand? They are working for APC and PDP. Now today, Funky D confirm because I was expecting Sowore to be there. I was expecting Jubri to be there, and I was expecting this man now, Atiku Abubakar, when go America, when he go now boo them boo, and then they call him thief in America. If I turn America in go, when they say in go America, wherever in go, whether in London, whether in backyard, whether in toilet, Funky D don't want to know where in go. But Funky D say wherever when in go, that place when in travel go, now boo then they boo him. They call him thief. Say he cannot come back to that, he cannot rule that country. That is what they are telling Atiku Abubakar. So how you now when they jubilate for these two people, these two men now, when una want me them become una president by all means, one now they force them into power, but at the end of the day now no I go still begin to they cry say they not perform, they not do this. Funky did not want hear that because people go hear my voice when maybe una allow Atiku Abubakar enter that power. Or no allow Jubri go back. Or no go hear what me I go tell on when be Nigerian people when no head not they walk again. When it be like say they don't cut number 6 come off on our head from on our brain. Common sense when not common, una not get them. So my voice go change, my tune go change if you no allow Atiku Abubakar enter that position. If you not allow Jubri go back to that office, I say my voice go change and my tune go change. Enough is enough for all this nonsense. Fela Dorotoye, Kingsley Moghalu, Obi Ekwesili, Funky D they send this message directly to you guys. I say make una not go they waste una time there because we don't already see who una be. All of una saboteur. This woman is a very big corrupt woman. Obi Ekwesili. The other one, Fela Dorotoye, Kingsley Moghalu, is a very corrupt man because all of them get all this godfatherism when they get. All of them get all these cabals as their father. So Funky D say make una not waste time because even one person no go vote una. Even una no go get even one person as person when stand for una say they won't vote for una. So make una stop to the deceive Nigerian people because we all know all this kind of bullshit when una they act. This is acting. This one not be debate. This one not be election. This one not be anything because already they don't bring out Atiku Abubakar say na him. I don't know the country when help all these Hausa cabals and Fulani cabals organize all these things when they don't organize. Say Atiku Abubakar must to be. That's just the game. That's why every time Funky D they call on Atiku Abubakar to leave Nigerian people alone, to leave politics alone, because you are not credible. Fela Dorotoye, you are not credible. What is it called? Kingsley Moghalu, you are not credible. This woman, what they call Obi Ekwesili, you are not credible. Jubri, you are not credible. Jubri every time they fall. Every time anywhere when he go, now so fall that one they fall. And I also fail in the field. So tell me now why I no go reason say these three people they never collect money from all these cabals. Because last time when we say only Sowore come there with the other man when they represent Atiku Abubakar, that is a spokesperson. Then only Sowore come there. Fela Dorotoye not come, Kingsley Moghalu not come, and this will be Ezekwesili not come. Today now, Sowore not come because they excluded his name from the debate. Obi-Ezekwesili was there, Fela was there, and the other man was there. Why you no go think say something dey fishy? Why you no go think say there is something going on underground? Funky D here say Atiku Abubakar come there, but he not enter inside the debate hall. Because he don't talk say if Buhari not come, he no go come. This is a very big, there is a very big danger ahead of all of us. There is a very, very big danger that we can never be able to confront it when it starts. In that country they call Nigeria. But people just they look and say all this when they happen are normal. It's not normal politics. No country where they play politics like this. When we say a whole presidential candidate when buy ticket, in buy in ticket as the president buying ticket, in buying ticket as that articulation buying ticket, in buying ticket as all these people then buying ticket. At the end of the day, they excluded his vice president and they also excluded him. The one when they manage put them when they go that day, none of them come. This is cheat. This is corruption. This is unacceptable. This is rubbish. Okay, una say una dey fight corruption. From Kidi they ask una, where they this one whether this they ask una whether this one not be corruption. Tell me what we want to call this one now. When we say Ono excluded his own Sowore vice presidential candidate, and also Ono excluded Sowore. Is this not corruption? Because the man exposed una rich ground. Because now the man make everybody know say these people and make everybody know how much money when these people loot. Now the thing when they pin them. Obi-Ezekwesili work with Obasanjo, so she's a corrupt woman. Fela Dorotoye, I don't know where that one work, but the other one what they call Kingsley Moghalu work with all this past and present government. So that man is a very, very corrupt man. You cannot bring any change to that country. So all these things when they do. See, I say waiting these Fulani people when they clamor for go do na, una no go believe them. The thing that is coming to that country is something that you cannot be able to even withstand it. A whole presidential debate. As a Bill Clinton and his wife, as them popular rich, get money rich in America. During their last presidential debate, they were there full time. This is why people went on the control America since many, many years. They were there. They didn't say, oh, this man is like this one is like this one don't have money, this one is... They didn't discriminate. They didn't let anybody down. They were present from the beginning to the end of the debate. That is how Funky D say it is supposed to be. Then everybody go answer in question. Another thing when make these people not come be say they no go feel withstand the questions when they go ask them. Atiku Abubakar no go feel withstand the corrupt question when they go give them. Then this Jubri not be Buhari when we voted for before. Himself cannot be able to withstand the questions when they go ask him. Just like unlike the other time, the last interview when he do with his vice president when they call Yemi Osubanjo. They no fit answer any question on corruption or security or how Nigeria go take move forward. The only thing when make them they did there be say they won't collect more money. Atiku is coming back to enrich himself. Atiku is coming back to sell Nigeria put for him pocket. Or Obasanjo don't tell and say Atiku is coming to sell the country put for him pocket. because he's a greedy man. Why should we be voting all these old cargoes when we say, "Una know say na dem spoil on our country rich grant"? The man when come out, when una supposed to the support, when we say not get any in record clean, everything clean about him. Una no one put them there. Una no one vote for him. Una just they discriminate, say, na young person, he not know anything, he age too small. Who tell you all those things? He not get experience. Which experience do you have? All those kind of bullshit question. Which experience Buhari get? Na looting experience. Which experience Obasanjo get? Na looting experience and to kill our people. Which experience Atiku get? Na looting experience and to use this Meyati Allah to invade the country. Their experience when they get na to kill our innocent children. Their experience when they get na to kill our wife. The experience when they get na to kill our to rape and kill our ladies. That is their experience. All of them, their hands stay with corruption. And then they shout corruption, then sit down with corruption, then sit on top corruption. And they are still on top corruption up to this moment when me and you they talk. How can Atiku Abubakar reach there? Atiku Abubakar turn back. Buhari one and they call on Buhari, that one not even show face. You not even send anybody. That is to show you that this man don't want to see you. This man don't want to see your face. He see you as an animal. Include that they just see you as an animal. When they shout for them, the Yorubas, the Igbos too, when they support the man, the Delta people when they support the man, all the whole. In fact, if you are not a Northerners and you are supporting the man from Kidisi, then they see you not like goats. Then they see you not like shit. Then they see you not like rag. They not get your time, and this is the very good example of it. This is a very good example of how then they look una. Then they look una say, una be ye people. Una not get sense. Or Ponasha Buhari don't tell una say, make una stand up. Una still they vote. Una still won't put these people back to the office. That's why Funkidi say that they see una as a ye people. And the corruption will remain in that country as far as Jubri or Hausa man or Fulani man is leading that country. Electric, like, una no go ever use IC electricity in that country. Now una go see what they call blackout. Una say company they food. They run, they come out for the country. Now una go see all those things. Make una vote Atiku Abubakar or una let Atiku Abubakar rig the election or una allow Jubri come back. In don't want una say 2019 make una ready for hunger. Funky didn't say Nigerian people say they get better mind. I think say they love each other. And now the country where they go church pass the whole world. Now the country where when they call Jesus, God pass in the whole world. I don't know. So Fela Dorotoye from Gidi say una no will get even one single vote. And I believe say una don't collect money. All those things when they come do na acting. Skinsley Mogalu, I say all those things when I come today can't do na art una the art. Una don't collect money. Oh basic question. Funkidi say you are corrupt because you work with Obasanjo government. When Obasanjo did there, when you did there, all of una hands stained with corruption. So you cannot be able to fix anything. And I still say una don't collect money. And all of them they against Nigeria. All of them they against the unity of Nigeria. All of them they against the progress of that country. Every bad thing when they happen now, they represent them in that country. Since una no one learn lesson, una don't go back with all these cabals. Can't they pretend to Nigerian people? Last time when Showore did there, why una no dey there? Today now una dey there. Showore una no all of una don't plan and say make dem not bring Showore because una know say Showore go win on our hands down. And he will still win una no matter how una dey do all this kind of yeye wey una dey do, including Jubri, including that Jubri Aminu Asudani, including Atiku Abubakar. Funky D say Showore must win una. Funky D. Ladies and gentlemen, Funky D say, make una dey subscribe to my own channel. I no fit come here come dey tell una something wey no be real. Na written na him Funky D dey present give una. Just as he be. Because the whole world dey see am. I'm against injustice. I'm against oppression. Because then they oppress Showore. Then they oppress that guy seriously. And the world knows about it. Everybody knows about it. Now only who they support all these are politicians. All these are deadly politicians. What are they called? Gangsters. Now only those people. Now them go say, no be oppression. This one is serious oppression. Why? Because Showore, now him tell the world, say these people, they are corrupt. And they are all corrupt. Confirmed. Even Amechi, I won't repeat this word. Amechi when we say they ain't not them. Don't tell them I say these people they are corrupt. Get ready to push them out, because if you don't push them out, they will remain there. When they finish their tenure, another person go when we say incorrupt go enter. That is this one now when Atiku Abubakar don't surface. Una go here Queen, make Atiku Abubakar enter there. Una go here van, make Atiku Abubakar enter there. Funky D. Ladies and gentlemen, share my videos. God bless you. Bye.